Are you ready to have the best year ever? Stay tuned, because I'm sharing with you how you can set goals for the next year with ease. Hi, I'm Angela Turpin. I'm the founder of AsFreeAsYouSee. I am a breakthrough coach and healer of queens. I help women trauma thrivers create, operate, and scale the business of their dreams. I share with you straightforward ways on conquering childhood trauma, creating self-trust, and mastering your energy, and how you can create clarity, consistency, certainty, and clients in your business. Let's get started. This module is part of the Pay What You Can goal setting workshop, where you pay what you can to get content around setting goals and creating a plan so you feel supported and ready to dominate your year. I want to know, how has your homework gone? Have you been slowing down and noticing the things that truly matter? I've had you do this homework because most people have no idea how to tap into their soul and follow their intuition. Why? Because they don't slow down. The more you slow down and get present, the more you can hear your soul and listen to your intuition. So your main focus to build your business that you love, that makes an impact and creates sustainability, is about following your soul. Slow down as much as you can and get present. Also, how did the meditation go? Are you feeling different? Have you had anything come up? Let me know in the comments section. I would love to support you more on anything that has come up for you. In today's module, it is all about reflection. Let's face it, reflection is one of the most overlooked tools that we easily have access to. Reflection is meant to help you learn, shift, and grow. Without reflection, you have no idea what's really working and what's not. It's like refusing to look at your finances but have no idea where the money is going. If you don't look, you'll never know. Truth be told, your girl lacked in this area of reflection for quite a few months this year. And I could tell a huge difference from the beginning of this year to the end of this year. It caused a lot of confusion and struggle, which I'm happy to say has been cleared up. But I don't want that for you. I want you to feel like this year is a better year. And the only way to do that is to reflect. In the comment section, you can grab your link to the reflection journal prompts that will help you reflect a little bit deeper and give you a clear picture of your last year. I'm going to go over the journal prompts to give you a little bit of each, just to clear up any confusion you may have around the journal prompts. First journal prompt. How did your year go? Reflect back and be honest. You must be honest. If you're not being honest, this whole thing is pointless, and it's a waste of your time and it's a waste of mine. You want to get honest about how your year went. Was it rough? Did it not go the way you planned? What did it feel like? It's okay if you had a rough year. It really is. We have all experienced rough years. And to be honest, 2020 was a better year for me than 2021. On to the next one. What did you accomplish? No matter how big or how small, nothing is too small to add to this list. Let's see them all. And give yourself a clap, a pat on the back, because it feels so good to accomplish all these things, and I hope that you're proud of yourself. To the next journal prompt. What failed? This doesn't have to be about business or goals. It could be a relationship. It could be a friendship, etc. To help, I had a failed relationship in 2021. Next one. What areas in your life do you feel you need to improve on? Listen to yourself. You know the answers. You don't need a chart telling you which areas of your life that you need more improvement on. This exercise or this journal prompt also builds self-trust. Follow your guidance. This will also help you in further modules. Where have you seen progress from the year before? And this is about anything. Do you react less? Have you slowed down? Have you called in more clients? The next journal prompt. What goals did you set for yourself last year and achieve? Did you set goals? Do you just have a word? Did you feel like you achieved it? What goals did you set for yourself last year and didn't achieve? It's okay. Listen, remember, you're reflecting, meaning that you're looking at these without judgment. This is no time to beat yourself up about anything, because really, you can't do a whole lot to fix anything right now. You can leave it in the past, learn, and let go. Do not stay stuck in the cycle of beating yourself up. If you're struggling with that, it's actually highly connected to protector parts in inner child healing. Yes, inner child healing is huge for your business. And inner child healing will actually skyrocket your success and your confidence. And if you want to learn more about that, make sure you check out the link in the comments, because I have a course on that. Anyway, back to the reflection. You must reflect on your year. So you want to have a fulfilling next year. You want to know what has gone well and what hasn't gone well. Take an honest look at where you're at, so that you can create goals that you can actually hit this next year. Take the time to reflect with journal prompts. Remember, you'll want to be ready for the upcoming workshop. If you're not ready, I'm not waiting, and I'm not expecting others to wait for you. So make sure you are prepared for this workshop. In the next module, you'll learn to become aware of your roadblocks and excuses, giving you the upper hand when it comes to obstacles and life happening during the year. And I'll see you there.